Hello friends, welcome to this class. Today I'm going to show you how to make a longitudinal profile of a road, okay, using the centerline heights, okay. So uh, the software that you need includes Autocad and something that we call SWDTM, okay. I'm going to share the link to download the SWDTM software. Here is the SWDTM software. It opens when Autocad opens. It is used to load the Excel data in Autocad. Okay, so I shall open the SWDTM, this one here, and I shall open my Autocad. So the first thing that we can do is to open your Excel sheet with the longitudes, okay, with the longitude data. So I shall just double click on my file, then my file opens as such. So you will see that here are changes from change 0, intervals of 30 to change 180. This is just a sample. It's just a sample changes, okay, and these are the reduced levels, okay. So the next thing here are some remarks, okay. So these are some remarks. So I shall save since I have given the name changes, Control S. So the next thing that we can do, just navigate to your SWDTM tool, go to X selection, then draw L profile or X section, then you can now draw the L profile, that is the longitudinal profile. So I shall just click on draw longitudinal profile. The next thing that I will do, at the dialog box that displays, you can just click on this drop down, go to from Excel, from Excel, since our data is in our Excel sheet here. The next thing that we can do is just to copy our area of interest or our values, okay. Then you can hit execute, okay. Then after hitting execute, these check boxes here will show up, so you can just click on draw all, okay. Then at this command box here, you see it says pick any point as reference point. So in my AutoCAD, I will just click at a point, just click at a point. Very nice. Our cross section was drawn successfully. This is our cross section. Let me put up this. This is our cross section here. So when I say center line, I mean the we used the values for the center line, okay. But sometimes you will find that you can use values for the left side of the road or values of the uh, left side of the road, okay. So what we have done is just we have used the height. Let me change this color here. We have used this. Okay, you have used the center line. Very nice. So that was all for today. Maybe when you need to export this cross section to PDF or to PDF, you can just click or type a command plot, then click enter. At this point here, you can just click on this drop down, go to DWG to PDF, then you can select the window in which you need to export. So this one here, then you can click. At this point here, you can choose monochrome to output a black and white image, or you can just use a TWF version pens to to output a colored. Then you can preview. Okay, let's see the preview. So that's how the preview will be. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The next video I'm going to show you how to draw cross sections.